you can see you should let this come here. This come here. Here have 2 pallets blocks. Here have 2 pallets blocks. And here have 1 pallet blocks. And you let that hook go back. It is the original port. You should use 用那个链条是这个啊？
对。
Use this one. And you can see here have 2. You can here 这个啊？
对。
Here 1 2还有 2， 然后这哈 here have 1。If here have 1。如果是2个，它就写2个是吧
？2个你必须，它如果说不是2个，它这上面显示2个，你这边显示1个，你必须把这个数改成2个。
就是说那边是2排，这个地方就2排。
对。
If there is 2 line, here it should 2 line. This one.
这是升2口。
好，这样就行了。
然后就可以打自动了。
Okay, then you can choose automatic. Like this.
打自动。
你一边的哥。咱打上。
Automatic. And then. And start. It works start. It start to work automatic.
剩下这边1排是对的是吧？你这边可以打自动了。
就应该是1排是吧？上。After you install this machine, here put 2 pallets blocks. Here 1 pallet, 1 block, 1 pallet, 2 pallet, 3 pallet, 4 pallet, 1 pallet, 2 pallet, 3 pallet, 4 pallet, and then let this block come front. Let this block come front, and you should if you let it. You should press this button, then blocks will come here. After come here, then you should let that hook. You should let this hook. You should let this hook go back.
我从上边吧，你上上，我这就弄，我弄了啊。
If you want to let this hook go back, go downside, it is the original part. You should choose this one, and after here have 2 pallets blocks. Here, if have 2 blocks, you should here choose 2. If it has one line block, it here choose 1. If here have 3, here you should write 3. And after this, you should this one choose here, choose automatic. Here choose automatic, and then press this one. It will show this one okay, and this one okay, and then you choose automatic. Then the machine could work automatic. When you use forklift, now here, first pallet, second pallet. When you put blocks here by forklift, and 4 pallets is okay. 1 pallet, 2 pallet, 3 pallet, 4 pallet is okay. Put here 4. Here the block head is 4 pallet, and here put the block is 4 pallet. Total 1 time 8 pallet is okay. You can see here block put here. This button. This one press this one. This part. Press this one. This part it will stop. It will stop. And this part it is stop. Urgent. And that one, it is same function with this one. Press this one, it will stop. All the motion will stop immediately. And this one, press this one. See, after you take use the clamp, take out those blocks. This pallet, press this one, and this pallet will go there, go there, and this one it will down, and with blocks come here. Then you use the clamp, take those blocks, and then when here finish stacking blocks, press this one, it will be again the pallet will recycle. Press the green color button, the steel pallet will this one will recycle.